Australia is bigger, but geographers classify it as a continent. So which island takes the crown? Main islands only. 1 global dataset. North up, equal area, 1 scale. Full rules after number 1. Let's count down. Number 10 begins deep in Canada's high Arctic. Ellesmere Island covers 197,790 square kilometers in our locked dataset. The real satellite view shows sea ice streaming through the narrow water between Ellesmere and Greenland. On the map, the complete island becomes our baseline. North up, equal area, and ready to stay on screen as every larger island arrives. Number 9 is Great Britain at 218,634 square kilometers. That means the single island containing England, Scotland, and Wales, not the entire United Kingdom, and not the wider British Isles. The snow-covered satellite image makes its familiar coastline unmistakable. At the same scale, Great Britain edges past Ellesmere by roughly 20,844 square kilometers, a clear step up without becoming dramatically wider. Number 8 returns to Arctic Canada. Victoria Island measures 219,191 square kilometers. The satellite scene captures its icy coastal setting and the waters around it. This is the closest contest in the entire top 10. Victoria beats Great Britain by only about 557 square kilometers in the source lock. When their whole outlines meet on the same scale, that tiny numerical lead becomes an almost perfect near-twin reveal. Number 7 is Honshu, Japan's largest island, at 228,296 square kilometers. The natural color satellite image shows the island's long mountain spine running through a remarkably narrow shape. This is Honshu alone, not the area of Japan and its thousands of other islands. Against Victoria, the same-scale outline grows only modestly, keeping the early countdown tightly packed. At number 6, the scale jumps. Sumatra covers 428,134 square kilometers, nearly twice Honshu's locked area. The public domain satellite image places its long Indonesian coastline beneath tropical cloud and smoke. On the equal area board, Sumatra's northwest to southeast shape stretches far beyond Honshu. From here onward, every island is larger than 400,000 square kilometers. Number 5 is Baffin Island, Canada's largest island, with a source-locked area of 507,205 square kilometers. Its real satellite view is a maze of rock, snow, fjords, lakes, and coastal ice. Do not confuse the land with Baffin Bay beside it. At one common scale, Baffin clears 500,000 square kilometers and visibly overtakes Sumatra. Number 4 is Madagascar. It is both an island and a sovereign country, but this number, 592,521 square kilometers, refers to the main island polygon, not every smaller island in the state. The full satellite view shows its north to south length beside the Mozambique Channel. Compared honestly, Madagascar rises above Baffin while keeping a far slimmer silhouette. Number 3 is Borneo at 723,154 square kilometers. One physical island is shared by Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei, so political borders do not divide the area calculation. The satellite image shows the complete green island surrounded by tropical seas and cloud. Once its national boundaries are stripped away, Borneo's single coastline stands substantially larger than Madagascar at the same scale. Number 2 is New Guinea, covering 773,751 square kilometers. The island is split politically between Indonesia in the west and Papua New Guinea in the east, but the ranking measures the entire physical landmass. The real satellite scene shows smoke and fires over its southern landscape. Then the full outline arrives, larger than Borneo, but only by about 50,597 square kilometers. And number 1 is Greenland. Its main island polygon covers 2,108,459 square kilometers in the source lock. The real Landsat scene shows melt ponds sparkling across the ice sheet, but the full map reveal is the decisive moment. Greenland is about 2.7 times the area of New Guinea. It contributes more than 35% of the combined area of this entire top 10. Australia is still larger, but by the conventional continent and island rule used from the opening, Greenland takes the island crown. Now place all 10 together at exactly the same scale. The first 4 are tightly matched. Sumatra, Baffin, and Madagascar make the middle leap. Borneo and New Guinea form the next tier. Then Greenland changes the board completely. Together, the 10 total 5,997,137 square kilometers, roughly 79% of mainland Australia. Here are the full rules. Each number is the main physical island, not the country or surrounding archipelago. Every rank uses the island area field from Global Islands version 3, produced by USGS, Esri, and UNEP World Conservation Monitoring Center. Every outline is north up on 1 equal area meters per pixel scale. Published coastlines vary slightly, so using one consistent dataset is the honest control. Which island surprised you most? Tell us below, then like and subscribe to Oddly True Facts for more comparisons that sound fake, but aren't.